The young bride died at the wedding. The groom married her sister. The celebration began while, in the picturesque town of Meadowbrook, nestled amidst rolling hills and surrounded by nature's beauty, two young souls named Ethan and Lily embarked on an extraordinary journey that would shape their lives in unimaginable ways. Their story began on the bustling campus of Meadowbrook University, where Ethan and Lily were both pursuing their dreams and passions. Fate intervened, intertwining their paths in a chance encounter that sparked an instant connection. As they spent more time together, their bond grew stronger, and their hearts entwined in a love that felt destined. Ethan, a brilliant and ambitious young man, was captivated by Lily's radiant smile, her gentle spirit, and the warmth that emanated from within her. Lily, with her kind heart and unwavering support, saw in Ethan a soulmate who understood her dreams, fears, and aspirations like no one else. As they navigated the trials and triumphs of college life, Ethan and Lily became each other's rock, weathering the storm of exams, late-night study sessions, and the pressures of finding their place in the world. Together, they faced every challenge with unwavering determination and unwavering love. Time passed, and as their love deepened, Ethan's heart grew bold with a burning desire to spend the rest of his life with Lily. He knew in his soul that she was his forever, and with trembling hands, he took a leap of faith and proposed to her. However, their journey was about to take an unexpected turn. Lily's family, rooted in tradition and influenced by societal expectations, were hesitant to accept Ethan into their fold. They worried about the compatibility of their backgrounds and questioned whether he could provide the stability and security they envisioned for their beloved daughter. Their initial reluctance cast a shadow over the couple's happiness, testing the strength of their love. But Ethan, fueled by an unwavering determination and an unyielding belief in their love, refused to give up. He embarked on a mission to win over Lily's family, determined to prove that their love was worth fighting for. With every interaction, he demonstrated his unwavering dedication, his kindness, and the depth of his character. Through heartfelt conversations, acts of selflessness, and genuine gestures of love, Ethan gradually began to dissolve the walls of skepticism that surrounded Lily's family. He showed them that love transcends social status and financial stability, that it is the intangible qualities that truly matter, the shared dreams, the unbreakable bond, and the genuine love that Ethan and Lily shared. In a remarkable turn of events, Lily's family began to see beyond their initial reservations. They witnessed the joy that radiated from Lily's eyes whenever she was with Ethan, and they realized that their daughter had found her soulmate in him. Slowly but surely, their hearts softened, and they gave their hesitant consent to the union, embracing the love that had blossomed between Ethan and Lily. With their family's blessings and hearts filled with hope, Ethan and Lily began planning their dream wedding. Every detail was meticulously attended to, from the exquisite venue to the enchanting decorations, as they envisioned a celebration that would symbolize their love and bring their families together in a harmonious union. However, fate had a different plan in store for the couple. On the eve of their long-awaited wedding day, tragedy struck, shattering their dreams and leaving them in the depths of despair. Lily, without warning, fell gravely ill and tragically passed away, leaving Ethan and both families devastated. The once festive atmosphere surrounding their wedding turned into a somber gathering, where tears mingled with memories and love collided with loss. The ceremony became a bittersweet farewell to the radiant soul who had touched the lives of all who knew her. Amidst the anguish and heartache, Ethan found solace in the embrace of Lily's family, who mourned the loss of their beloved daughter and sister alongside him. Together, they shared their grief, finding strength in their shared love for Lily and their determination to honor her memory. As time passed, a unique bond formed between Ethan and Emily, Lily's sister. United by their love for Lily and their shared loss, they leaned on each other for support and understanding. In their shared sorrow, a new connection emerged, one that was born out of a profound appreciation for life's fragility and the need to find solace in one another's presence. Their friendship slowly evolved into something more, as Ethan and Emily discovered that their love for Lily had created an unbreakable bond between them. They understood each other in ways that no one else could, offering solace, compassion, and a glimmer of hope amidst the darkness that surrounded them. In a decision both courageous and born out of love, Ethan and Emily made the choice to honor Lily's memory by getting married. Their families, initially skeptical and hesitant, eventually recognized the authenticity and depth of the love that had emerged from the ashes of their shared tragedy. They understood that love is not bound by societal norms or traditional expectations, but rather is a force that has the power to heal and unite. In time, Ethan and Emily became parents, bringing forth a new generation of love and hope into their lives. Among their children was a beautiful child named Noah, born with a disability that presented unique challenges for the family. It was a test of their strength and resolve, a reminder that life's journey is not always smooth, but it is in those moments of adversity that the true essence of love shines brightest. Noah's arrival brought a mix of emotions for the family: joy, apprehension, and a profound sense of responsibility. They faced the challenges head-on, seeking the best care and support for their precious child. Countless doctor's appointments, therapy sessions, and sleepless nights followed as they devoted themselves to Noah's well-being and happiness. But within the struggle, they discovered unexpected moments of grace and profound beauty. They learned to celebrate Noah's unique abilities, finding joy in his victories, no matter how small. They created a nurturing environment where he thrived, where his laughter echoed through the halls, and where his indomitable spirit inspired all who knew him. Through their journey with Noah, the family's perspective on life shifted. They began to see beyond limitations, embracing the true meaning of love and acceptance. They understood that every individual, regardless of their differences or challenges, has inherent value and the capacity to teach and inspire. Their journey taught them that love is not merely an emotion. It is an unwavering commitment to supporting and uplifting one another. It taught them the power of resilience, the beauty of finding light in the darkest of times, and the strength that can be found within a united family. The profound moral of this sprawling tale lies in the resilience of the human spirit and the transformative power of love. It reminds us that life is a tapestry woven with threads of joy and sorrow, and it is through love that we can navigate the complexities of existence. It teaches us to cherish those we hold dear, to embrace the unexpected twists of fate, and to find strength and solace in the bonds that connect us. Through Ethan and Emily's remarkable journey, we witness the indomitable spirit of the human heart. We learn that even in the face of unimaginable loss, love can heal, unite, and guide us toward a future filled with hope, resilience, and unwavering devotion. Their story serves as a poignant reminder that love, when nurtured with patience, understanding, and unwavering determination, can transcend time, space, and even death itself. As we reflect on this touching story, let us remember the power of love and the resilience of the human spirit. Subscribe to our channel for more inspiring tales that remind us of the beauty and strength that exists within each and every one of us.